Adding and subtracting fractions. Evaluate 3 over 5 plus 4 over 5. If you read this differently, it might make it a little bit easier. So if I say 3/5 plus 4/5, that will give me 7/5. So 7/5 plus 4/5 will give me 7/5. Now, because this was given in fractions, it will be okay for you to leave it in this way, and we'll just stop there. If I look at B, I say 5/3 take away 3/4. Okay, they are not the same. Because they're not the same, I want to get them the same. So my lowest common multiple for 3 and 4 equals 12. Okay, so I'm going to say this is 12. And now I'm going to say, what did I do to 3 to get 12? Well, I had to multiply that by 4. If I multiply underneath the line by 4, I also have to multiply above the line by 4 to get an equivalent fraction. And 5 times 4 is 20. So 5 over 3 is the same as 20 over 12. Take away. What did I do to 4? Well, I had to multiply that by 3, so I have to multiply 3 by 3, so that this is the equivalent fraction, and 3 over 3 is 9. That will give us then 12, take away 9, is 11/12. In the next example, we need to add and subtract mixed numbers. Now, don't even try to do this any different way than what I'm going to show you now. Okay, well, right from the word go, we are going to change that. Okay, so move. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say my first step is change this to a mixed or to a improper fraction. So to do that, if I have 8 times 3 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29/8. Okay, because I've got 3 groups of 8/8, 3 groups of 8/8, that's 24, plus that is 29/8, plus 4 times 2 is 8, 4 times 2 is 8, 8 plus 3 is 11/4. They're still not the same thing, so I'm going to have to get my lowest common multiple, which is 12. Oh, it's not, it's 16. Ah, it's not, it's 8. Sorry, it's 8. Okay, what did I do to 8 to get 8? Nothing. So that stays 29/8. Plus, what did I have to do to 4 to get 8? Well, I had to multiply that by 2, and I had to multiply that by 2. What I do underneath the line, I do above the line. And that will be plus 22. Now 29 plus 22 equals 41. Let's make it 51/8. Now because we started off with a mixed number, I'm going to write this as a mixed number. Now I'm going to say 51 divided by 8, or 8 divided into 51. 8 times 6 is 48. And if I have 51 take away 48, 3 remains. So that will be 6 3/8. For this one, just quickly, I'm going to say 2 times 2 is 4 plus 1. That will give us 5/2. Take away 6 times 1 is 6. Plus 5 is 11/6. This equals lowest common multiple for 2 and 6 is 6. I had to take 2 and multiply by 3 to get equivalent. Multiply by 3 to get equivalent. 5 times 3 is 15. Take away, that's already 11/6. 15 take away 11 is 4/6. And with fractions, I always have to simplify to the simplest form. And to do that, I'm going to divide by 2, and I'm going to divide by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So my answer is 2/3.